Hello everyone, welcome to the Warehouse Series. Guys, I am 196 subscribers away from 1,000. I'm looking forward to it. I'm very excited about it. Guys, if I ever hit that 1,000 and I start getting somewhat decent money for doing this channel, I'm going to start getting more lighting. I'm going to start making this a little bit more interesting, maybe a backdrop, just to make it a little bit more entertaining. For right now, I'm filming on my phone. Maybe I'll get a camera in the future. Who knows? We'll see how this goes. But I'm very excited about that 1,000. I appreciate you guys. If you're not a subscriber, guys, if you could subscribe, I really appreciate it. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. Leave comments. And if you're not a member of my Discord, guys, come over to Discord. This is where I get the video suggestion breakdowns. It's a category that I have over there and people post these things. So this is another video breakdown. I enjoy doing these. This one I actually had to edit. It's the first one I had to edit because it was 20 minutes long and it is a lot of travel time that he's going between cases. This is the first one that I actually watched before doing it on the video. The other ones I did it as watching the video because this one was just too long. I couldn't do a 20-minute breakdown with all the travel time that he had. So, in saying that, thank you, Michael R. I appreciate it. If you guys have any videos online on YouTube that you want me to do a video breakdown, come over to Discord and put that into the video suggestions, video breakdown suggestions. So, guys, give me a thumbs up and we're going to get right to this video breakdown. All right, guys, so here we are. He got that oil on there. The oil is always a good thing to put on the corner, which he does have on the corner. He has one pushed up. I would have definitely, even though he has 5, I would have kept them all together. Guys, like I said, I edited this video, so it's going to skip a lot, because otherwise it would take too long. Right here, 3 cases. He's selecting right here. He's putting them all together. I tell you, I love keeping cases together from one pick slot. Just makes a better palette. I do want to mention that I had someone privately message me pictures, and I just got done explaining this to him. The way he builds his pallets, when you have lighter cases like this, bigger boxes, you almost get into a habit of building 4 corners separately almost. Okay, so you're building 4 just split your pallet into 4s and you start building them almost like towers, but tied in layers whenever you can. And that's what he does in this video right here. He's tying in his 4 corners. And then when possible, you want to tie in the 4 corners together. And he does it on the very last case, but that's fine. I build like this too whenever I have lighter boxes, bigger boxes. Now, when you have heavier cases, you want to try to tie in every single layer. See how he's tying in his 1 corner? That is totally fine. This guy definitely knows what he's doing. Yes, he is probably on a night shift right now. And because I don't see a forklift. There's no forklifts. There's no other selectors in this warehouse whatsoever. The coasting of the jack and jumping off the jack, I got no problem with that if no one's in the yaw with you, because these jacks only coast about 1 foot to 1.5 foot and they stop automatically. So but be careful if there's other selectors around, other forklift operators around on coasting the jack and jumping off of it and just letting it go. But this guy definitely knows what he's doing. He builds really good pallets. According to this video, he builds good pallets. And this is a triple pallet jack. And so the reason why you're going to see a lot of skipping on his front pallet is because we can't see it, because he has a stack of wood on the front of his jack, and then he has his 2 pallets. But see right here, guys, see how he's starting to take the top layers and he's starting to push them towards the middle. Now that top case right there, that's all he did. Top case tied in, that is the perfect pallet. I would have done the same thing that he did with these cases. Very good pallet. You don't always have to layer stack. Everybody thinks that you have to layer stack everything. You do not always have to layer stack. This is column stacking to an extent, because you're not really column stacking is basically taking the cases and stacking them straight up in the air, all the same direction. He's crisscrossing, he's tying in cases when he possibly can. Right here, he's wrapping his pallet. To me, this is a little overkill on the pallet, on wrapping. It doesn't seem like with the cases that he was throwing that he needs to throw this much wrap on, but hey, whatever. This guy definitely goes above and beyond what he needs to do to make sure that his product is nice and safe getting out the door. So I give props to this guy. Definitely knows what he's doing. I'm going to pause the video. Give me more, guys. You know, I like doing these video breakdown too because it gives you guys the visual that, you know, you're asking for. I'm going to do picture breakdowns too. I have some pictures that people gave me, and I'm going to do some picture breakdowns. You know, I think they'll be valuable too because it's another visual thing. So guys, before I go, I just want to let you know that if you do like following my reviews, also, besides watching the warehouse videos, I posted a video about my Bluetooth speaker, and I mentioned on there that, you know, the videos slow down over the fall and winter because I'm not buying stuff. I don't get paid for my reviews. You know, I'm not getting paid to buy products. The stuff that I'm reviewing is the products that we're buying for ourselves. I use them for a while, then I review them. Fall and winter, it looks like it's going to slow down. But more than likely the warehouse videos are going to kick up over the fall and winter. So if you guys are here for the warehouse series, you're going to get a lot of videos over the fall and winter. So if you're here for the warehouse series and you also like my reviews, I just want to let you guys know that the reviews are probably going to slow down over the next, you know, 6 months probably. I still got stuff lined up that I want to review, but they're going to slow down a little bit. But the warehouse series, guys, it's going to pick up. I appreciate you guys being here. If you're not a subscriber, can you please do that? And that's today's video, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.